Wow, I even hear there's a pool on a higher level. Love it. Make sure you check it out. Now the moment you've been waiting for. Mr. Guys, it's the Intense 5. So apparently, Derek called Auntie Donna to ask for a thing she promised him, and Auntie Donna answered while live on TikTok. Who tell her to do that? One piece of pasa. Who's the fastest man in the world? I mean, do you even have to ask? That's how Dr. the Honorable Usain Bolt, the legend, was introduced during his interviews at the GQ Man of the Year Award. Don't get it twisted, get it right. If you're a boxing fan, then you were tuned in to Tyson versus Paul on Netflix. I'm not even going to comment on the fight. Yay to them and 40 million, but Netflix has a couple lawsuits coming their way. The buffering was rough. Netflix and live streaming, back to the drawing board, guys. Cartel says all he needs is his US visa and nobody can hold him. This is coming off a statement made regarding the success of Buju's North American tour. He says he could top the numbers with ease. I'm out. And finally holding the spot this week, Diddy has an angel on his side, it seems. A judge ordered that letters and notes that were found in Diddy's cell during a raid be taken out of evidence. And it seems as if these letters had some heavy evidence. Diddy, you're lucky bad. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment. Up next, Cube with Sue Forward.